Spider trailer is out and we are crazily waiting for the release. How has the movie come out?
It's it's one of the most awaited films for the year because of the combination of the film is such kind that you have A.R. Murugadoss, who is well known in Tamil and Telugu, and you have obviously the Prince of Tollywood, Mahesh Babu, and then you have Santosh Sivan and Haris Jayaraj to make it more bigger. So I think it's going to be one of the best suspense thriller for the year, I guess, with me and S.J. Surya on the side as baddies. So I mean, it's basically a big film for me in my career, and it's a great experience working with these big guys who are well known in Tamil and Telugu.
Okay. So how was it working with Mahesh Babu?
Very very respectable, very warm, and for the amount of stardom he has in his life, I think he treats everyone with very great respect, which is really important. Great human being to work with. Initially, I was little because I have no idea. I've just seen him once. I've never even spoken to him, so I was little very careful for that. I was really careful to talk to him because I don't know whether he would respond back. But then the way he comforted me, because very few actors have to do both Tamil and Telugu, the bilingual. So he gave his own time because he could speak an amazing Tamil, but I could not speak an amazing Telugu. So we have to finish off Tamil version and then wait for Telugu. So he would wait for me to get my lines. So those are things which really mattered and helped me in getting great bonding with Mahesh sir.
Okay. So how has the movie come out in Telugu and Tamil?
It's going to be a fantastic thriller for the year for sure. Because having known the previous histories of Murugadoss sir, because he's a man who's really good in sculpting his screenplays. If you see his previous records of Katti and Tupaki, well made and well interesting scripts. So on the same note, I guess Spider will be the same. You could see a different Mahesh sir, you could see a different visual, and it's going to be a very interesting script for the year.
Okay. Whom do you like the most, Tamil audience or Telugu audience?
Obviously Tamil audience.
Tamil audience, fine.
So because that's something which fed me. I mean, I grew up in Tamil industry, and I mean my basic support. I mean, it's not support. It's my mother tongue is Tamil, so obviously everything follows it back, for Tamil audience. But having said that, I guess since it's a Telugu people are watching, I guess I'm getting myself deeper into Telugu audience through Spider. So obviously I need the support. Because it's like a very close industry. Tamil and Telugu are dependent on each other, and we are neighboring industries. So I might work in Tamil, but of course, yes, through Spider, I'm going to get launched myself in a bigger way in Telugu as well. So my love has always been there for Telugu audience as well.
Definitely, they'll give a warm welcome, I guess. And basically, all the A.R. Murugadoss movies will be like it will be a combo of action-based thriller and all that. So how about this movie? Is there any action sequences with our hero?
Yes, of course. It's basically an action thriller only. So obviously you will have there's a very huge action sequence with me and the Prince. So I think we both have it's a sequence of 10 days we shot, 10 to 12 days. So that's going to be well spoken action sequence for the film. And apart from that, we had, I mean, almost 30-35 days. It was a combination scene only between me and Mahesh Garu. So it was fun working with him. It was a nice experience actually, this film.
Okay, then Mahesh Babu sir has a huge, crazy fan followers. So will this movie satisfy their expectation?
Of course, yes. I think it will be one of the biggest blockbuster in his career. Because I have worked only for 30-35 days, but I could see that the amount of inputs which has gone into the film, the amount of the hard work which has gone into the film, everybody has given the best in the film, including the fight master Peter Heen and Santosh Sivan, of course Murugadoss sir and Mahesh sir. And if I'm not wrong, I think this is the first combination, I guess, Murugadoss sir and Mahesh sir.
Yeah.
I guess that creates more expectation for the film. A big hero and a big director gets combined. Obviously, you can finally end product would be a different one. So this is going to be one of the sure shot biggest blockbuster in his career.
If suppose I ask you one word to describe Spider, what would it be?
Spider would be, I would say,
one word or one sentence or something.
Fabulous.
Okay, nice. Anyways, thank you so much, Bharat. All the best for the movie.
Thank you. Thank you once again. I know I'm a bit of kind of nervous to be a part of this film because I know I don't know how this is going to be welcomed by Telugu audience, my character. But I guess they would welcome me in a good way because I've played as a very bad villain in the film. So, but let's see. I'm happy I'm part of this wonderful film.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
All the best for the movie.
Thank you so much. Thanks.
Hi, this is Nani and I subscribe to India Glitz Telugu channel IG Telugu, and for my updates and about my latest movies and everything, for all the news and gossips, please follow IG Telugu.